Hi, this is Bob with Gibbs RV, and today we're looking at a 2018 Sunseeker motorhome from Forest River, model 3010 DS for double slide. You notice this RV has fiberglass cap on the front with the Sunseeker logo. Not only does that protect the front of your cap, not only does it look nice, but it also wraps around the side so you don't have any exposed corners there that might be prone to leaking down the road. We've got alloy wheel simulators, molded running boards, power awning across the front, and full exterior paint. Really shines, doesn't it? Compare this to other Class C's that you look at. Outside entertainment center, on an articulating arm, the TV is, with a garbage pail back here. We'll look at that when we go inside. We've got storage below. Get a Zamp solar panel, plug and play, you're off grid. We've got access to more storage. These doors are on both sides, plastic lined, easy cleanup. This one even has built-in picnic tables on the floor there that you can take out and you're set to go. Backside also has a receiver hitch, so if you want to tow a boat or a car or the ATVs, you're ready to roll. We've got a big window to help you see, as well as a rear camera, and since it has a walk-on roof, it comes with its own ladder. This is the driver entry side. You can see the big slide is here. Awning toppers on both sides, tinted glass. It does have a 4,000 watt generator. There's the exhaust pipe, and these are the side cameras. You turn on your blinker and you can see who's in the lane on either side of you right there on your camera monitor. Let's take a look at the interior. Nice thing about this one, you open the door and no electric step that always breaks. So you can just step right up here. It's a real easy ingress into the RV. Look how big it is in here. Look at all this counter space. You just don't find this in RVs. It even has additional if you want to flip up. We've got theater seating. Why? Cup holders, because it's facing the big TV right there. Got the Furion flat panel TV, AM, FM, CD, DVD player. You know, Class C is complete without the overhead berth. This one has the safety net. Cushion can pull back for a full bed with windows on both sides. Comes with the ladder locked in place here. There we got a good view of the cockpit from right here. And then notice it's a real easy transition from that floor to this one. And it's vinyl, so clean up. You go and camp and clean up is always something to think about. This flooring is the resilient flooring that just, it won't scratch, it doesn't freeze and crack. And when we have a dinette booth, it's made of the same material as the chairs and driver's seats. This makes into a bed, so you have additional guests sleeping. Storage underneath. You'll notice all the drawers are plywood, metal ball bearing roller guides, not flimsy plastic. Remember that garbage pail? There it is. Just put your table scraps in there. Easy cleanup for later. We got a dual basin sink, stainless steel, the flex hose over the top. Speaking of over the top, lots of pantry storage. Microwave. This is the new style Furion stove. It's got the 3 burners, oven underneath. You got room for pots and pans storage, hidden hinges, things you don't see in cheap RVs. 4-door refrigerator, just like the big boys, like your big fifth wheels and whatnot. So if you want to bring refreshments for everybody, you can. Overhead storage, look at that. A lot of people forget about that, but storage is always a premium in an RV, and you get plenty in this one. To the bedroom, take a step up, and here we have a glass shower with skylight. Across the hall is our bathroom. We've got the foot flush toilet, sink, vanity mirror, medicine cabinet with a power exhaust vent. And wow, look at this array of closet space. The only way we can do this is by having the slide out for the bed. So the bed goes back. You can still use your bathroom when you're in transit here with the slide in, no problem, you see, because it's forward of the bedroom. We got wardrobe storage here. There's drawers. There's another television built in, and you need to get down and see this for yourself at Gibbs RV in Coos Bay, or you can see us on the web, www.gibbsrv.com. That's GIBSRV.com in Coos Bay, 1-800-824-4388. Gibbs RV in Coos Bay.